I am looking at seeing a temple today, and I see these like steps, and I'm like, where do they go? It's very hot here and very humid, and I follow the steps. They don't go anywhere. I think they built the steps to like be like, haha, stupid tourist, you walk down the steps, and yeah, I feel stupid. I am not at all sure where I'm going. But if I have to turn around and go back up all these damn steps, I don't know. Going back up the steps. Anywhere near the top, or wherever this ends. I'm walking, the steps, and these people come up and they're like, I'm obviously looking at the map, trying to figure out where I'm at, and I'm asking them where am I at, and they're like, they couldn't really tell me. I'm like, cool, because it's broken English, and they're like, where do you want to go? And I'm like, top of the mountain, and they're like, okay, follow us, and they go off the steps, and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna trust them. And we just keep walking, and we're following this like really steep trail, and they're just like super happy. And then of course like the trail ends, and now we're just climbing through the brush, and I'm in shorts and Converse. They're in like hiking gear. And we just made it apparently to the first of 5 points, and this is after over an hour of just wandering through this wonderful terrain. And I was like, I have to go back. I'm sorry. You guys have an awesome trip. Because I've like passed my exhaustion point, and I'm like, I still have to go back down. And it's really slippery, and I'm in Converse. So, all right. Rachel signing out. Oh my God. For once today, I am so happy to see steps.